everyone. Welcome to my tutorial on YouTube. Guys, this tutorial I am going to discuss my new website. I have made this website in Astra theme. So it has 13 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 2 blog posts. 12 pages, 11 pages and 2 blog posts. So guys, I'm going to discuss this. I'm a SEO, experienced SEO. I have 5 years experience in digital marketing. This is my Upwork profile, and plus that, I've worked for various digital marketing companies in India and few companies in abroad through freelance. So this is my Upwork profile. So I've made 9K over here, and right now I'm setting up my own agency in India. It's in North India and Chandigarh. So you can message me, call me if you want a website. I make Astra small websites in Astra, Divi, Elementor, but not e-commerce that much. So let's discuss in this website. So in this website, in the front, this is the menu. There's a request for free consultation button. It takes me to the contact us page. So contact us page has a form. You fill the form, the message goes there. Fine. So this button is among the call to action buttons. Then this button is for phone call, getting a phone call. Then I have these two buttons. This live chat. Anyone wants to chat with me, I get a message. So this is also a plugin. This is another plugin. It through this I get phone call, a message on Facebook, pop up message, WhatsApp message, and email contact form again. So and this one is chat, but I've separated them, chat and these buttons. And if you go down here, then request a quote, schedule a consultation button. Uh, Here heading H1 tag. These are the services. This is another plugin which will give you this all. This is a slider. This is through a plugin. There's some text here, two paragraphs, and this is a photo current ranking for a keyword, and then this slider. Then Google reviews here, and then some text to another paragraph here, then another paragraph, and contact me form over here. So I will teach you all this, uh, and then FAQ buttons in the bottom of the website. So that is also plugin. So guys, subscribe to my channel, and I will teach you everything slowly, one step by step. Currently, my website is ranking on Google for a few search terms like best SEO specialist in India. Currently, it's on page 65, 64 rank. So this is the rank. It's 1.5 months old. So this is what the ranking will be. And you can see I've got a message. I'll go to my Gmail account. I just messaged myself, so I've got a message over there from this Chatway plugin. So here, uh, I have just received a message. So guys, subscribe, and if you have any project for SEO or digital marketing, I'm uploading this video to Upwork too, so you can contact me on Upwork too. So this is for Upwork clients too. So please subscribe and have a nice day, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.